Greetings from Chengdu, Sichuan, China. Today I'm at the Sichuan Art Museum. There are many interesting artifacts. Let's explore. Here I am at the second floor. There's a Third Wenli Cup Sichuan Youth Oil Painting Exhibition from 13 September to 8th of October. Oil painting are always like more interesting to watch. Very realistic. I think it's much more interesting than upper level. Seriously. Wow. If you have an art lover, you should definitely come here. Let's continue our exploration. This side first. Here. Oh, there's a kind of a battery. I think some of the paintings are easy to understand, but some of them are like not really easy. I think this one is for two soldiers. They are like facing the front or the back, can't really tell. Wow, there's a dog and a young lady. Oh, this one is quite abstract. Okay. The laborers, housewife. All these oil canvas have won awards. They are really like take a lot of effort and time to do the painting. I think can take months just to do one. Wow, there's a traditional Chengdu China costume or the triple one. This one would be quite understandable. Oh, look at this one, the Sichuan opera. Wow, I really like the detail. Wow. Alright, I just entered the other section of the Third Wenli Cup Sichuan Youth Oil Painting. I thought just now that one is over already, level 3, but no, there's still more. I definitely catch a face changing or some opera show tonight or tomorrow, because I've been busy doing videos on other subjects, other places that I've forgotten to actually watch a puppet show or even the face changing or the Sichuan opera. Is really like, oh, look at this. So plan your trip accordingly. This Sichuan Art Museum is located in town, just at the Tianfu Square, Metro Line 2. About 10 minutes walk, not too far. Bring an umbrella because it's like either it rains or it's very hot and warm, and then maybe a cap or sunglasses because the sun can actually pierce our eyes, make our eyes very painful, and apply some sunblock. Hey, this is nice. I'm at the top floor, the third floor, the Divine Land Woodblock Play Museum exhibition right here. There's no English, but doesn't matter, right? Because in museum you're looking for pictures, photos which are self-explanatory. So in this exhibition, it's like against the resistance of the Japanese, the wartime back in 1945. Earlier, it's over 80 years right now. About 80 years, a long time. Over here are the biographies and introduction of some of the painters, but most of them have passed on. I guess Level 1, they are undergoing some kind of renovation. So actually there are 2 exhibition hall right here. There's exhibition hall 2 and over there exhibition hall 1. So no worries because it's really a good visit today, and also it's free, there's nothing to complain. And now I'm going to the next destination, Wenshu Yue Monastery Temple. It's a very well-known temple. So subscribe and enjoy the video and give a thumbs up so that more people can find the video. I'd like to see you guys in my next video. Take care everyone and bye bye.